Bafowethu sanibonani, ngithemba ukuthi niyaphila. Ngizothanda ukuhlala odabeni ukwenzela mhlawumbe ukuthi nani nganibambezeli kakhulu. Sibhekene nenkinga lapha ngeshow ethu esenza iduze kwakho, isiqalo esisha. But uYouTube before we even posted isiqalo esisha, uYouTube uqale wasithumelela ama-emails asitshela ukuthi our account or my account is being reported, but specifically people are reporting a content that is being posted on my YouTube channel, which is iduze kwakho. Ngazibuza ukuthi ubani abenza leyo nto leyo. So uYouTube njalo bulokhu uthumela ama-emails, we've reviewed your content, sathola ukuthi you following the guidelines. And ngiyazibuza ukuthi hayibo kwenzakalani. And now inkinga iqala kakhulu mase siposta eduze kwakho isiqalo esisha lesiposta njalo ngoLwesithathu. So masiqala nje siposta and I received ama-emails from YouTube ukuthi kunabantu who are reporting. So ubona kanjani? Ubona ukuthi ukuthumele i-message i-email ethi we've reviewed your content, safethu ukuthi yonke ihamba kahle. But now abantu abami ukureporta eduze kwakho, and the more bengami wenza uYouTube wenzeni investigate kakhulu or ugxile ekutheni uhlole le content esipostayo, and ukwenza lokho uyibambe i-content ukuthi ingabi visible to everyone, check specific people. And I thought maybe it's about episode 2 esupostile mhlambe onento ukuthi ngathi abantu abadala, but because ngiyafollow ama-guidelines ka-YouTube, I know ukuthi uYouTube awufuni ukuthi uveze ingono zamabele, awufuni ukuthi uveze amabele ngaphambili, awufuni futhi uYouTube ukuthi uveze isitho sangasese, awufuni ukuthi uveze ama-private part, izinto explicit. At the same time uposta lapho ku-YouTube you also explain ukuthi no, there is something esiyenzayo, leyo nto esiyenzayo it follows ama-guidelines. So onke ama-guidelines ngwenzile. And the funny part ukuthi it's not like people reported that specific content. No, they didn't report that specific content, they reported everything. And then base bebala izinto eziningi ezihlukahlukene njengo-hate speech or izinto nje eziningi ongazicabanga ukuthi ngaqhamuka ku-YouTube. Our content is not good for kids and yonke loo nto leyo, or it's not good for the community. So YouTube decided ukuthi i-content yethu now angeke isaba visible kona wonke umuntu. So if usearch iduze kwakho awukwazi ukuyithola, and since ayikhipha kunjalo, uma usearch iduze kwakho awukwazi ukuyithola. Uma uzingenela nje ku-YouTube angeke vele qhamuke iduze kwakho as usual the way biyenzeka ngakhona. So uYouTube into ibukwa kakhulu uyi-advertise i-content ethi ibukwa kakhulu, but now it's not being advertised. Even if when we search we told until ungena on my account kwazinsele on YouTube, then you'll find it duze kwakho isiqalo esisha. Or if ungena ngelink, then you'll find it duze kwakho isiqalo esisha. We're receiving calls from people, and then we wrote on YouTube asking what's happening, and they told us what our content is being investigated. Why they investigating it? It's because you guys are reporting it. So to a point ukuthi even monetization is on hold based on that. And cabanga ukuthi sinihlelela ukuthi sinikhiphele njalo iduze kwakho every Wednesday, and people are busy reporting this thing. So guys, yeke lento enenzayo, you not only unsabotage thina kuphela, but nisabotage labantu ababukuduze kwakho nabayithandayo nabayilandelayo. It's sad nje lento enenzayo, angifuni unikhohlisa ubulwane ubusathani. Yekeni, angisho ukuthi njengoba niyenza mhlawumbe nizowina, angeke niwine ekugcineni, kuzogcina thina. But okwamanje yasidelay and yasibambezela. But the fortunate part ukuthi angeke siyeke kuyikhipha. I know ukuthi kungani izathu doing that, because akwenzi abantu abahlukahlukene ukuthi a random person lele empedeni wavuka decide ukureporta. No, it's more like a group of people bahlangene lapho ehlangene khona baningi, and then they just reporting, keep on reporting it until I don't know ukuthi ngwenzelani. But guys, we again akukho right, kubi umoya nje obusathane ongafunakali loyo. And the sad part ukuthi sisazoyenza iduze kwakho, so shoot lama episodes, so sisazoloku sirelease njalo every Wednesday. And then for abantu ukuthi bekwazi ukufollow up story kulabo abangakwazi ukufinyelela ku-YouTube kwamanje, we'll also post it on our Facebook. Masiqeda nje ukuyikhipha on Facebook, on YouTube, sohlala before sikhipha enye season we post le edlule, so that people will follow storyline sethu. So guys, siyabonga kwabasupportayo, ama-views ahamba kakhulu. Just imagine ama-views ahamba kakhulu kodwa ingekho visible on YouTube, because people are going to my account by searching a link. So yonke lento. So if it was not about you guys any reporter ngabe sikude kakhulu. But anyways, siyabonga kakhulu, nana ngenilunge thina solunga, and i-support inkulu. Siyabonga kakhulu bafethu.